Canva offline, Canva offline, Canva offline. What is Canva offline? You might have been hearing about this since the just concluded Canva Create that took place on the 16th of April, which was my birthday. You may be confused on how to use it and how to get started, but with this short tutorial, I'm sure you would be out the door because I'm going to be showing you how you can use it in just few steps. Okay, let's jump right into the tutorial. Offline. You might have been hearing about this. It's kind of like the rave of the moment. You know, everybody is excited about Canva, Canva offline. It is one of the amazing features, one of the latest updates that Canva introduced during the Canva Create that was recently held last week. That was on the 16th of April, which was my birthday. So I'm more excited about it. Now, I do not want you to be left out, so I am showing you how you can use this Canva offline feature. Without wasting much time, it's just going to be in a few steps and you'll be able to know how you can use Canva offline. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to go over to the design, click on this hamburger, there's three dots, and you're going to see a lot of options. You're going to see open in a new tab, details, present, full screen, make a copy, start 14, move, download, and this is where you want to come to. The make available offline, then you click on it. And when you click on make available offline, it's going to load. You're going to wait for this to load up until the end because without that, you'll not be able to use this amazing feature. So we're going to wait for this to load. Okay, this is a virtual bestie pitch deck, something I created a while ago. We're going to wait for this. Remember, this is the only way you can. Okay, so design available offline view all. You can now click on this. Now I'm going to switch off my data. Then you see, this is the previous designs I have made available offline. As you can see, I am offline and I'm going to click on it. Just because I'm offline does not mean I cannot edit this design. That's the amazing part about this. So you can change the color. You can change the color. You can change. Wait, this is going to be. Oh, you cannot change photos, but you can change the font. These are the fonts that are available offline. I think Canva still needs to do more to give us more font. Maybe we can make, I don't think we can make some fonts offline, but I'm going to check that and then let you know. So you can change the text, you can change the color in your uploads. Well, you can even upload files. This is amazing, 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 amazing. So you can change the text. Let's see, let's add something. So you can edit, do whatever work you want to do, even while your internet connection is off. But you cannot download and you cannot share. I think maybe Canva just introduced this. Maybe the option is going to be available much later. I do not know. But so far, so good. This is what you can do. You can edit the text. You can change the color. You can also upload files. That option is available. And whatever changes you want to make, you can just do it. Let's see if we have our elements. Okay, we can only use shapes. We cannot use the graphics. We can only use shapes in this offline mode. That's still amazing. That's still a win. So apart from that, any other new thing, anything that pops up, I will be sure to let you know. But for now, remember, click on the three dots when you go to the design that you want to make available offline, and then select the option make available offline. And when your internet connection is off, you can still make changes to that design. So this is really cool. If your internet connection or internet provider is having issues, that does not mean you cannot view your design or you cannot make changes to your design. Okay, so I'm going to put on my data connection and check if we can add fonts. If we can make fonts also available offline, let's just see if that's possible. So we have all this and we are waiting. So click on the fonts. Reload this. See if it's possible. Oh, it is not possible. So for now, you cannot change fonts while you're in offline mode. So let's see if Canva is going to make that option available with time. But for now, this is what we have, and it is cool. In my opinion, if you ask me, this is still a huge win for a lot of Canva users. Canva actually listens to their users. So I want you to use this, enjoy this, and I'm going to see you in the next video tutorial. My name remains Kalechi, and love you all. Bye bye.